When it was launched back in 1978, the Honda CBX 1050 was like any other superbikes of the late 70s. It had a large engine shoved into a severely under-engineered chassis with poor suspension setup. You had to have some kind of death wish to push this motorcycle to its limits. But despite all that downsides, one characteristic of this motorcycle made it stand out from the crowd forever. What you just heard was an unparalleled symphony of a 1047cc inline-6 DOHC engine, which was derived from Honda's own RC series 6-cylinder race bikes of that time. This carbureted 6-cylinder powerplant was way ahead of its time. The engine makes 105 brake horsepower at 9000 rpm and 84 Nm of torque at 8000 rpm. Not that impressive by today's standards, but it was a big deal back then, and it did manage to achieve the Honda's goal of creating the fastest production motorcycle in the world with a top speed of 225 km per hour. I don't think that there was any other superbike existed or will ever exist that could even come close to the CBX 1050 in terms of the exhaust note. So now put your headphones on and feast your ears with some heavenly mechanical music that will disintegrate even the modern F1 cars in shame.
Assis caneco.
Vai não, aí.
Ih, ó.
Yep.